Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of Delta Force on the Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video, I will play Delta Force on all the graphics settings with the maximum frame rate supported. The Samsung Galaxy A07 supports Delta Force on smooth graphics settings with ultimate frame rate, and it supports standard graphics with high frame rate. Also, Delta Force does not support gyroscope on the Galaxy A07. Now, if you go to Basic and if you go to the Control section, you will find the gyroscope option over here. And as you can see, it is currently turned on, but it will not work since it is not supported on the Galaxy A07. Now I will start the gaming test with the smooth graphics settings on ultimate graphics settings.
Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo 1.
The gaming performance of Delta Force on smooth graphics settings with ultimate frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics settings to standard and the FPS to high. And this time I will start screen recording while playing the game. As you can see, the game is dropping frames. The gaming performance of Delta Force on standard graphics settings with high frame rate is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is a little bit warm. And this is the gaming performance of Delta Force on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.